Hello, everybody, and today we're going to play a horror game called White Noise. I'm doing a lot of videos because it's Halloween yesterday. Yay, and I got loads of candy I have to eat. Wait a second. I'm going to turn this volume down, it's scaring me right now. Come on. Guys, I can't do this on my own. Aren't you going to try to join more? Just join one. Where if you will. And guys. Let's just wait. Guys. I need to smart, guys. You have to save someone on your dead icon. Take right? Yay! I'm having these Halloween sweets and I'm recording, God. Yes, and it's embarrassing now because I'm gonna die. Yeah, this is my second time ever playing it. And this is the Halloween special. Right now. I'll stay with you. I think it's in this room. No, it's in this room for me. I know where it is. Oh God, this is terrifying. Can you wait because I have to have some sweets on Halloween trick-or-treating. Yeah, that's right. Okay, I've got some radio sounds coming from. Oh God. I don't know what difficulty. I don't care about the difficulties. Let's just hope he doesn't hear him. Okay, someone's back in front of me. Oh God, I'm scared. I'm so scared already. The sounds. Oh God. Nuclear warheads. It's somewhere around. I hear it. Okay, don't go. Follow me. Okay, just follow me, okay? I know where he is. I've got my volume very loud. I study stuff. Yeah, it's somewhere in this room. I've lost you. I don't know where you are. Where are you? Oh. This is terrifying, but you can go first. Someone mad. We're good.
Always check behind you. He could be behind you.
Okay, this leads to. Oh God. Go. Oh, at least we know where he is now. Oh God. Could it be my pants? This is terrifying. I think this is on normal or easy. Do you want me to change the difficulty? Huh. Actually, because I don't. It's somewhere. Yeah, okay, just look around. Oh, yeah. Okay. Oh God, it's too dangerous to go alone. Okay, come in the middle of that room and you're still in the room. I don't know where anyone is. Okay, There's one on somewhere down here, I think. I'm sure I saw something down here. One somewhere around here. I hear the groaning. Let's just go this way. Oh god, there's a green gooey thing. Don't go that way. Or don't go behind us. There's that green gooey egg thing. Have you? Let me get it. Let me get it. Can I get it? Oh, 3 out of 8. It doesn't matter. Let's go. Let's go this way. Wow, you've won 23 times. That's pretty good. There's one there, but there's one in here. I can hear it. Yeah. It's getting really stronger on my side. Good. 4 more. 4 more till we can go.
Where are you?
Oh god. Oh god. I was terrified. I was like, where are they going? Oh god, I'm recording right now and I'm terrified. I don't know, I'm going to name the video soon and it's going to be called Halloween Death Special. That's what it's good, that's the episode. Oh god, green thing. Green gooey egg thing. Oh god, it's it's in the hallway. Oh no, because we're calling it now. That's good. I'm terrified. Viewers, please. May please protect me. No, she disconnected. Okay guys, that's the end. I can't do any more. This is giving heart attacks. No, okay, I'm sorry, but this